Wait. The special announcement. I totally forgot. All right, you ready for it? Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. What's up, everybody? I'm Trent, Granger, missionary to Mexico. If you want to grow in your own Christian life and find out what it's like for a missionary to live on the mission field, then hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Today, I've got some exciting news. I've got something special, something exciting I want to share with you, but that I want to share a little bit later. Today, we've got some visitation we've got to make. We're going out soul winning. We've got some preparation for tomorrow, some cleaning, some fun stuff going on. Let's get to it. You know, we're getting ready to go out soul winning, going out to tell people about Jesus Christ. But, you know, there's one thing that I just came across recently, and it's called the 3 circles. And just the way they describe it and the way they go about using the 3 circles for witnessing is really cool, because it's not just like purposely knocking on a door, asking somebody questions, but it's like everyday life. And it's really cool. I'll put a description. I'll put a link right here. I'll put it in the description so you can follow it and go check it out. But they teach you how to go soul winning and bring up Christ in your everyday life, which is just so cool to me. Visitation went really good. We've got one lady in particular. Well, we visited a couple different people. The first family we visited was here for the Dia del Niño, and so we're trying to get them to come back. But last Thursday, my wife was able to talk to a lady, and actually a couple ladies in a house, and they're very interested in coming to church on Sunday. So we're going to go back by tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, and try to see if they want to ride to church. They said that they were Catholic, but she has her Bible, and she reads it every day, and she says, I want to leave the Catholic Church because she says the things they teach and the things that are in the Bible are different. And she doesn't want to continue going to the Catholic Church. So it's a great opportunity. She says she is saved. We went through the plan of salvation with her. She said she believes it 100%, and she claims to accept Christ as her Savior. And so we're excited. Hopefully pray for this lady. I believe her name is Maria. So please pray for her that she'll be able to come to church. We'll be able to get her here. She just lives like 30 seconds away from the church. But pray that she'll be able to come to church, she'll stay faithful to church, and that she'll grow in the grace and grow in the Lord. So I got a trash can so we can put outside. But because we live in Mexico, I have to do some doctoring to it. So I'll show you what I got to do. Now that, my friends, is how you secure a trash can. So real quick, this trash can story really has nothing to do with my storyline. I just thought it would be funny and you might enjoy it. So anyway, let's get back to it. And throw the trash in there, and nobody can steal my trash can. I mean, they really could if they wanted to with some snippers and stuff, but I don't think people go that extreme to steal a trash can, but some people do, so just because they can. Hey, thank y'all so much for watching. Wait. The special announcement. I totally forgot. All right, you ready for it? Here it comes. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, everybody? You're listening to Trent Granger Podcast, where you'll learn about missions, ministry, and grow in your own Christian walk. Let's get to it.
Well, starting this Monday, I'm going to start a podcast. It's going to be about missions, ministry, and helping people grow in their own Christian life. That's about all I got so far, but we're just going to run with it and see how the Lord blesses. So hey, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys next time right here on the vlog.